Okay, well, I've started on the roof. I'm gonna take this section down first and do some repair. There's some rot here on down the line. There's like, I'm guessing 3 layers, or maybe even 4. There's that one, this one. Nah, probably 3. These are old T-locks. I don't know if you're all familiar with T-locks, but these are T-locks. But they, the reason they got this rot here is that all the shingles on after the first one, that's the first one, and then this is the second one, was underneath the flashing. So whenever they had something go wrong with it up here and the water got underneath, it came down off of these shingles and under the metal instead of over the top of the metal. And then, of course, eventually it rotted. So basically, I'm going to take and just cut the rot and these two instead of replacing this board. And the reason I'm doing that, let me show you on the other side. If you'll notice, they apparently had some rot on here the last time, and they cut it off. It's shorter, and so to make that side look like this side, I had to cut it off. See, it's about 3 inches shorter. And that's about what I need to cut right here. It's 3 inches. So that's what's happening right now.